I'm installing a short shifter. We're gonna go from this to this. Alright, so I ended up buying the Billetworkz short shifter, matte black. If they had a green one, I would get it, but honestly, it would have been a higher price if I were to choose a different color. We have the shifter plate, the stopper where I went with teal, and the hardware, and down here is the bushing. So let's install it. What I have to do is obviously lift up the car. Alright, so I'm under the car now, right under the gearbox. So there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts that you're gonna unscrew with a 12 mil. After that, you should be able to try to take this out slowly. There's might be some debris under it, so be careful. If you can't take it out, just move it to the side, just move it lower. This part should be exposed. So there should be 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts right there. Unscrew them at, I believe they're 10 mil. Just loosen it up with this, and then I'll use my drill. Alright, that's it. That was partially annoying. Hopefully you guys could see, but alright, so I guess you'll be unbolting, well, piece right here, both ends, unpin them, and then there's this one piece back here. You're just gonna pull it towards this side. Boom, got it. Finally. This should be loose. This would be a piece right here, the black one. Like I said, push it towards this side. Boom, that should be it. Should be done from the bottom. Time to go up. Once you're done from doing what you need to at the bottom, from what I was seeing, you just have to pull this up. It's gonna be all flimsy, but it's okay. Let's pull this up. There you go. Some elbow grease. I guess it's connected with this. No. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, first of all, take off your shift knob. Apologies. That should be exposed. Get out of your cable. Pull this as well. We're gonna have to take out this piece. Just pull it from here. Boom. Just put this to the side. Pretty much we'll be exposing this. So we're gonna bolt these 2 screws. One lug nut here, 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 and here. And then there should be this pin that you're gonna loosen up, and this pin on the left. So I have your Phillips, some ply tool, an extension if you make it easier, and a 12 mil. Another one down here. Take them out. Just put them off to the side. Go ahead and take off the adapter at the meantime, because take it now because it's gonna be more annoying later. So if you're using a Billetworkz, time to take out this pin, the brown pin on the left and on the right. I think it's a brown one on the right for the words harnessed it to the cables, and a black one on the left. Cool, got one down. There you go. So like I will grab it and then with your fingers just push it out. I think after that it should be loose. Or what am I missing? Alright, after that I should be able to lift it up, but I guess it doesn't want to. So I forgot to get rid of 4 10 mils at the bottom. I just remembered. So back to the bottom we go. Just like 4 screws, but they're 10 mils, so that's where I messed up and forgot about that. So there's 4 more, and that's when I'll be able to put it, take it down. Well, it's not take it down, but finally take it out. All right, now I got the screws at the bottom, 4 down. Now I just gotta pull this up. So just move this to the side, lift it from here, I guess. Boom, that should be easy. No, grease. And we're good. Off to a table. All right, man, let's do the fun stuff. And then a 10 mil right here with a fancy washer. Take this one off as well. So just grab this. Should it work? There you go. Now we got it. There. Push that out to the side. It goes with this. Cool. Don't do that. Hopefully that was it. Cool, we got that part out. Now we're gonna take this off. These 2 bolts. This does get pretty messy. There you go. Then after that, take this. So we'll have this screwed onto this so it stays together. Honestly, I'm gonna put this to the side because this is taking too much space on what I'm doing. It goes there. Maybe I could pull it up now. Oh, I could. Oh, wow. All right. Anyways, this is as important. Also, everything is important. So we got that down and that off. Alrighty then. Get rid of this O-ring. Put that to the side. Hopefully I don't fuck this up. Hopefully this is small enough to get it. Just annoying. After hammering it out, after 20 minutes, I guess, this is the most annoying part. Just hammering it down. You need something really skinny just to hit it through like this, like out to the other side. Other than that, is out. And then boom, look at that. Look at the difference. Amazing. It's gonna look and feel, well, I want to say look because it's gonna be underneath, but it's gonna feel so much better. All right, so Allen key, so screw this. Oh shit. On the other side too. Leave that. Take that out. You gotta take this one out. Ya no te preocupes, ya lo saqué. Sí. Por donde está atorado abajo, sí, pero nomás lo tengo que. Oh, alright, cool, we got it. There you go. Boom, baby. We got that part down. Whatever there's grease here, I would just apply it on here. Finally. La 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 la. All right, now that we greased it, let's put it back. There you go. Face this side. There you go. It's like a workout putting this back on because the spring is preventing you from putting it back. We got that down. So lift, right, we're good. Alright, so I pretty much put everything back how it was. So I'm pretty much reversed. Time to put it back how it was and see if it's all done. If not, I guess I have to take it out and redo it again. But I guess I won't be needing this. These two screws were from pretty much the stopper, shifter stopper. You won't be needing this anymore. It's the old spring from this, O-ring from this piece in the middle that was holding it in the middle. Won't be needing that. So I guess at the end, I just need to put this and put it back to the car. On the note, I'll be doing this next time because it's getting dark. It's getting pretty late. I'll do this shifter plate and the bushing because I know I have to go through the transmission, I believe, from what I was reading and watching. So I'll do that next time, but I'll just stick to the short shifter and the short stopper for now. I'll do this on another video. Boom. That took a while. Alright, let's just tighten this screw and this screw right here and put this back how it was. Well, it's already put back how it was, but I mean, like, let's put whatever's left. Let's put this bad boy back. It's already dark, man. That's how long it took me just because I've never done this before. I'm just playing it safe to be doing this, but hey, you gotta learn somehow. This way you can like snap this off easily. Makes it easier to put it back. Boom. Long extension, small little piece. If you're having problems shifting and it won't go to neutral, you see right here where the reflection is, you can easily tell where it's scraping. I would bang it with a hammer. I will bang it with a hammer so it can like dent it so it stops scraping. And after that, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to put your car on neutral without a problem or on reverse. Dude, this short shifter is amazing, man. Like, it feels heavier, but more like, I don't know how to explain it, but more like you have to like put in more strength to it, especially when you go to reverse lock. I like the spring to go up, like you feel it more resistant. Like, it feels so nice when I change gears. I've already been using this for a week now, and man, this feels so good. Some people may not like it due to the fact that it's very stiff, but I really love it. I love this compared to the stock. The stock felt more like rubbery feeling when you're changing gears, but now, man, this feels like top notch. Like, it feels so stiff in a good way. I love it. So yeah. What's up, guys? Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Honestly, this was a very long install due to the fact that this is my first time installing a short shifter in a car that I've never done in general. Like, I've never done a short shifter before, and I've always wanted to do this to a car that I've owned, which is especially WRX. You have to do it, especially like I said earlier, the shifter feels very rubbery, the stocked one, but with this one it just feels so notchy. I love it. This install actually took me 7 hours because first of all, I didn't install the bracket in a right angle. It was more towards, like, I installed it right in the middle, so I was no longer able to go to first or second. So that's one mistake. Second mistake, there's these springs that let you go to reverse or fifth or sixth. Flip the spring and install it the proper way it should have been, because earlier it came off, and then when I put it back on, it wasn't right, so I had to uninstall the whole thing again and do it properly. And then third, it no longer was trying to go to reverse, so there's this little bullet shaped that's like next to the spring. Guess I didn't install it back, not noticing that it fell off, and once I put it back it started working again. And then the other time I had to install it again, it was because, like I showed you, the plate on the bottom was scraping, so it was no longer letting me go on neutral or to go to, like, it was actually like it will get stuck in gear but never let me go back to neutral. So that's another error, and there was many reasons why it took me a while, because when you're doing this on your own and you have to go like on top of the car and then go down under the car, go on top of the car, go under the car, it takes a lot of your time. But honestly, I don't regret it. It was frustrating at first, but after I was done installing this was pretty cool. This was a very challengeable install for me, but hey, I really love the install. Either way, thank you for watching, guys. Leave a like, leave a sub if you want to see more with what I'll be doing with the WRX. But thank you again for watching. Have a good one. Do it, man. It's really fun. Install a short shifter from Billetworkz. It's worth it. If you're experienced, you know what to do. If not, you're gonna have to learn sometimes. So other than that, thank you for watching. Have a good one, guys. Deuces.